What a day, what a day. Well, we played a show at the Hideout, blew out the power twice. That was pretty funny.
It's only twice? I thought it was 3 times.
Where's the Hideout? Oh, 3 times.
Maybe only twice.
It's on Queen and Bathurst. That was pretty funny. Tonight might be kind of interesting.
What are you expecting tonight?
Well, the promoter has just spent the last few days in jail, so it's been difficult to communicate with him.
Yeah, I tried to call him, we've all tried to call him. It was like, the answer only came through just now.
Yeah, no, he's been in jail for like the last week.
Yeah, that's a good one.
So I don't know. I'm really not sure how this night is going to unfold, and I don't know what he was put in jail for either.
Sounds like you got a great promoter.
Apparently the show's canceled. Hey, where's the fucking promoter? I'm telling you right now, I got a fucking big sausage to his fucking face right now.
Yeah, big sausage? Let's see the sausage!
What is sausages?
What does that mean?
What does that mean? It's too busy in here. There's so many people.
I heard the gig's canceled, man.
Our gig's canceled.
Oh, is our gig still on?
Yeah, you guys still
Oh,
are.
fuck.
There's no one here, so we're gonna play on it. We're calling it a gig or something. We don't give a fuck. It's fucking rock and roll, alright? That's how we fucking do it, alright?
Thing for me is I want to fucking get out there and start playing very consistently over many months.
Yeah.
We'll play, I don't care whether it's in front of 5 people or 5,000, you know, like play anywhere, anytime for whoever. I only work with the best.
It's really funny when you get to these little towns and there's no one there. We have the best funk and time of all of our entire lives. I'm completely cracked out right now. Anyway, it's awesome because you know what? No one's watching, and then we have the best show of all shows.